We've just played a 1-1 draw against a very strong opponent, Sekhukhune United. I know nicabanga ukuthi we have bottled the top 8 position. But what if I tell you that there are lots of chances that we might end up in the 7th position or in the 8th position. Let me just say, if we draw our final game, we might end up in the 8th position. But if we win our last game, it's definitely sure we are getting the top 8 position. You know why I say that? Well, let's jump straight into the video together. Let's go. Okay, I know you think I must be crazy saying that we still have a chance to be on the top 8, but just take a look at the table from number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Look at those points. Polokwane City at number 7 have 33 points. Chippa United at number 8 have 31 points, and us, we also have 31 points as number 9. Number 10, Marumo Gallants, also with 31 points. The difference between us, Marumo Gallants, and Chippa United is that Chippa United, they have played all of their games. Today was their final game, playing against Marumo Gallants, and they drew it. Marumo Gallants behind us. We have better goal difference than them. So that means whatever Marumo Gallants will be doing that day, we must also do it. For example, if Marumo Gallants draw this game by 1-1, we must draw our game by 1-1 or win. If they win, we must win. But if Marumo Gallants win, we lose or draw, our dreams for the top 8 might be over. Because if they win, they will have 34 points. If we draw, we'll have 32. That will put Polokwane City in the 8th spot, and we go above Chippa United and still be on number 9. So our last game, we must win. If Marumo Gallants draw and we draw, we have a good chance to be on the top 8, because we have a better goal difference than them. You see, if we both draw, we will have 34 points, which will put us on top, not on top, which will put us if we have a better goal difference than Polokwane City, then we will be just on top of them. Then they will drop on the 8th position. Then Marumo Gallants will go on the 9th position, if you guess what I mean. So our last game has many hopes on us, but also to Marumo Gallants. Their last game, I believe, is with which team? Marques, I think. Yeah, they are playing Marques FC. As you can see, Marumo Gallants have no games. We are playing against Polokwane City, who lost 2-0 today. Against what? Against Marques or what? Against Cape Town City. Yeah, against Cape Town City, they lost 2-0. So if Cape Town City can beat them, then what can stop us? With the performance that we put in today, guys, niwabonile amajita namhlanje bedlala kanjani? Come on. It's just that we considered a goal early singakasetlish kwi-game. That's what I always feel. Mangibukela iChiefs ngihleze ngisaba ukuthi let's do not concede a goal in 5 or 10 minutes because suke singakahlangani. Make sadlula in 10 minutes lapho suke sehlangene suke sedlala yabo. So this goal was we could have prevented it. I think Peterson ubengenza kangcono. But it is what it is. But the quality that we were playing today, it was amazing. Besesigijimisa isikhukhune ububona futhi that game was end to end stuff. You could see the hunger from the boys. What a great goal from Lilepo. Another thing I want to add, Skukune backline was disciplined. They were just, they were defending with purpose. Even in their attack, they were attacking with purpose. They have speedy wingers. This guy who was number 7, I don't remember him. Yeah, this guy. He was giving us some problems, but like Solomon dealt with him very well, I think. In the middle, we were bossing them well. Even in the on the back, we were there. Kwinika was there. If it wasn't for Yusuf Maat, Kwinika would have won the man of the match. That guy is putting the work. You can see that he wants to play. I think they did well today. Our star boy, Eden Marquardt, has just gotten his first team debut. He played well, very well. Mbonile ama-headers awawinile lo mjitsi. I was scared when I saw him in the lineup, but he proved me wrong. He was playing with purpose. He was there, guys. He was there. Ngathi akaqala ukudlalela i-first team. In the middle, Yusuf Maat, our captain, was bossing the middle. His passes are accurate. uYusuf Maat indlela acabanga ngayo isishintshile manje. Usecabanga as a captain. Usedlala as a captain. His passes, phela kudala uYusuf Maat will just switch ball to no one. But now he can switch ball to someone. Amabhola abathola uModi ngale were clean, good passes from Yusuf Maat. Ngobo was good. He was holding the play. His passes also. Gaston Sereno was good. Lilepo, exceptional. That goal was just wow. Who else? Duba was there, pressing. Modi coming back to help at the defense. He was just exceptional. So guys, I'm just trying to tell you that don't lose hope yet. Mayingakakhali impempe yegame yomdlalo ogcina sodlala against Polokwane City. Don't lose hope. We are going to be on the top 8. Ningibuze ngomgqibelo ozayo. So bekuyi 20 ba. 24, 20 something, ningibuze. We'll be there on the top 8. You can also tell me on the comments below, ukuthi, do you still believe ukuthi we can still make it on the top 8 come this last game against Polokwane City, who were beaten by Cape Town City, Cape Town City are there fighting for relegation. They were beaten by Cape Town City 2-0 today. So what do you think? Do you think we still can make it to the top 8, or just sulahlile ithemba? Please comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for support yenu bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu njengamanje I'm about to hit 500 subscribers. Please help me reach my goal of 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Peace.